Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a vacuum explosion experiment. So first we have a candle, then we have a glass of water, then we have spray, then we have blue food coloring, then we have a spoon for mixing. So first we take this glass of water, then we pour it there, then we take the food coloring, then we pour 20 drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we close the food coloring. Then we take the spoon for mixing and then we mix it all together. The water's all blue now. Now we take this perfume and then we spray it in this bottle we just used for water. And now spray 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's what happens if you put a lighted candle on colored water and then you put a cup